Hello students, welcome to Sonu's Learning World. We are discussing previous year's board exam questions of some applications of trigonometry chapter of class 10. Okay, so let's read the next question. The angle of elevation of a cloud from a point 60 meter above the surface of water of a lake is 30 degree and the angle of depression of its shadow in water of lake is 60 degree. Find the height of the cloud from the surface of water. That is a question. Okay students. So here first we can draw the figure. The angle, these type of questions are very important students. The concept is simple. Okay, let's do this. So let's form the figure first. The angle of elevation of a cloud from a point 60 meter above the surface of water. Okay students. So we have water. Okay, let this be water. Okay, water, this is be water. Okay, the angle of elevation of a cloud. So we need a cloud. Okay, so let this be the cloud. Okay, the cloud, let the cloud be at point A. Okay students. Okay, next the angle of elevation of a cloud from a point 60 meter above the surface of water. Okay, so 60 meter above the surface means from the surface of water 60 meter above. So this is 60 meter. Okay students. So let this be D and let this be B. Okay, so BD is equal to 60 meter. Okay students, let's draw the angle of elevation. Let's draw the line of sight, etc. And so students, from here the angle of elevation comes. So from here to here, this is a line of sight. For marking the angle of elevation, we want the horizontal also. So our horizontal, let this be our horizontal. Okay, this is our horizontal. So this angle of elevation is given in the question as 30 degree. Okay, next, above the surface of the water of a lake is 30 degree and the angle of depression of its shadow in water of the lake is 60 degree. Okay students, so the angle of depression of its shadow. So students, this is the water level. Okay, the shadow means from this point to the water level. So the shadow will be at the bottom of the water level. That is a trick in this question. So I am joining this. This is our cloud now. Okay, so this is still water level. Okay students, and in the question it has been given that the angle of depression of its shadow in water, this shadow of the cloud in water will be at its bottom, not at the water level. So students, so let this be the water. So water is continuing till here. Suppose the water is continuing till here. Okay, so in the question, the angle of depression of its shadow in water of lake is, okay, so the shadow will be at the bottom. Okay, at this point, let this be the point. Okay, this is the bottom of the water, so I am taking this point as E students. Okay, so at this point will be the shadow. At this point will be the shadow. So the angle of depression means from here to here. That is given as 60 degree. Okay students. So in the question, understand the question, the angle of elevation of a cloud from a point, okay, from a point 60 meter. This is a 0.60 meter above the surface of water. So students, here I joined ED and I gave the name of this point as C. Okay, let me take the triangle ABC first. I am taking the triangle ABC first. Okay students, so in triangle ABC, what is a perpendicular? Perpendicular is AC. So AC by base is BC. AC by BC is perpendicular by base. What is perpendicular by base, students? That is equal to tan theta. Perpendicular by base is tan theta. Okay. So next is, what is AC? Let me give the name of AC. Let me give this as H. Let AC be H. Okay. So H by BC. Okay. H by BC is equal to tan. What is the angle of theta here? The angle of theta is 30 degrees. So tan 30 degree. So students, what is tan 30 degree? Tan 30 degree is 1 by root 3. Okay. So H by BC is equal to 1 by root 3. Okay. And let this be my first equation. Let this be the first one. Okay. So next we can take the other triangle. So students, first we took the triangle ABC. Next we can take the triangle BCE. Why students? From this triangle BCE only we will be able to find this DZ. So if we find this DZ, we can add this AC and CD. Okay students. So that is the point. Okay students. So next I am going to take. Okay, before take the triangle BCE. Okay, before that let me tell you something students. This much distance is 60. Okay, this is 60 and this is H. Okay students. So this distance will be, that is, this distance means the point where the shadow is formed at the bottom of the river from the surface of the river. That is, this much distance will be this distance. So this distance is also equal to 60. So this is H. So this much distance will be 60 plus H. Students, let me explain you one more time. Students, this is 60. Okay, from here to here, because DB is 60. So this is also 60. This is also 60. This is H. So the shadow of the cloud is here. The shadow of the cloud is formed at the bottom of this river. So the shadow will be formed from the surface of the river at a distance of 60 plus H. After 60 plus, after this distance plus this distance, the shadow will be formed at the bottom of the river. So this is equal to this much. Okay, this much will be equal to 60 plus H. Okay students. So let me take the triangle, next triangle. So in triangle, let me take the triangle BCE. Okay. So in triangle BCE. Okay students. So BCE, my perpendicular is EC. EC by my base is BC. EC by BC is equal to perpendicular by height. Sorry, perpendicular by base. Okay. So that is equal to tan theta. Okay students. So next is, what is EC? EC, where is E? Okay, EC. EC is, this much is 60 plus H and this much is 60 students. Concentrate, this much is 60 plus H. Okay, the shadow will be formed at this much distance below the surface of the water. So this much is 60 plus H and this is 60. So EC is 60 plus H. Okay students. So what is EC? EC is equal to 60 plus H. That is equal to 120 plus H. So that is easy. From figure. Okay students. So next I am writing, instead of easy I am writing 120 plus H by BC. Where is our BC? We have nothing for BC, so let me write BC only here, okay? So by BC is equal to tan 60 degree, theta is 60. So tan 60 degree is equal to 1 by root 3 students. So it is 1 by root 3, 120 plus H by BC, okay? 120 plus H by BC, okay? So we got two equations, okay? So this is our second one from the second triangle. Okay, students. So we have to find whether we have to find the H, or what is the value of H. If you find the value of H, you have to think, students, think and then execute, okay? So here we have to, if we are able to find the value of H, we know this much distance is 60. So if I am adding the 60 with this H, I will be able to find the height of the cloud from the surface of river or the lake. Okay, students. So my intention is to find the value of H, and I have two equations, okay? So to find the value of H, I am going to divide these two equations. So I can cut this BC and this BC. Okay, so I can do something. Let me divide equation 1 divided by equation 2. Okay, my equation 1 is H by BC. Okay, this is the left hand side, and here the left hand side is divided by 120 plus H by BC. That is equal to, here the right hand side is 1 by root 3 divided by, here it is root 3. Root 3 means root 3 by 1. Okay, students. So this is our equation. Students, I have already told you this one. Students, what is 1 by 2 by 2 by 3? This 1 by 2 by 2 by 3 is 1 by 2 into, take the reciprocal of this, reciprocal of me, this is 3 by 2. It is 3 by 2. So our answer is 1 by 2 into 3 by 2, that is 3 by 4. Okay, students. So like that, here also we have to take the reciprocal and multiply. So H by BC into, take the reciprocal of this one, it is BC by 120 plus H. That is equal to 1 by root 3 into, here reciprocal of root 3 by 1 is 1 by root 3. Okay, students. So let's solve the remaining part. So here it is, I can cut this BC and BC. Remaining is H by 120 plus H is equal to 1 by root 3 into root 3 is 3. So that is 1 by 3. I am going to cross multiply. 3H is equal to 120 plus H. 3H is equal to 120 plus H. So I am taking this H to the left hand side. 3H minus H is equal to 120. So 3H minus H is 2H is equal to 120. If 2H is equal to 120, what is the value of H? H is equal to 120 by 2, that is 60 meter. Okay, students. So we got the value of H as 60 meters. So students, see here, H is 60. H means from here to here. So we have to find the distance of this cloud from the surface of the water. So we have to find H plus this CD. We know CD is 60. So our final answer is height of the cloud from the surface of water is equal to, so height of cloud from surface of water is equal to 60 plus CD. Okay, 60 plus CD, that is 60 plus 60. So our answer is 120 meter. So this is our answer. Okay, students. So this is a question. So we have to know that the shadow formed of the cloud is formed at the bottom surface of the water. Only that is a thing which we have to understand in this particular question. Remaining is same. Taking triangles, everything is same, students. Okay, students. So students, if you like my videos, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.